to our master virtuosos. And to start, let's have the pristine that refers to students or performers at the very beginning stage of their piano journey. A round of applause to our first recitalist. Let's all welcome Raiko Jacob Romero. Raiko is from San Carlos City, Laguna. He started playing the piano in September 2024 and has only been playing for 10 months. Once again, a round of applause for Raiko Jacob Romero.
Adjust mo tayo po.
Beautiful rendition. Thank you so much, Raiko.
Wait, just one more.
Next up, there's another one. Please play. Once again, Raiko.